In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or upload any picture that you find online to any of your web pages, any of your lead capture pages, to any of your emails that you're writing. It's really simple. And the first thing I want to point out is I'm going to go over to Google and I'm going to do a search for an MLM company called Manatech. Now, I'm not in this business, but I'm just using this as an example. And then once I do my search, you'll notice right here it says images. So if you click on that, you'll notice you've got all these different pictures that you can choose from to make your pages look better, to make them look more professional. Maybe you want to use a banner or a picture of the products, a compensation plan pic. All your options can be found online. And it's not just limited to, looking for a specific company. I mean, you could type in get started button pics if you wanted to find a button that we didn't have. Anything that you want to find online as far as pics, all you have to do is search for it. It's not hard. So here's how it works. On your computer, you should already have a free tool called Snippet. Now, if you don't have Snippet, you can do a search online to download a free Snippet tool. All it is, it's a little tool that allows you to copy any image right off your computer. So I'm going to click on mine, and you'll notice this little thing pops up, says snipping tool, and if I click on new, now I'm ready to copy any image online. So I'm going to start on the upper left hand corner of the image and left click on my mouse and just draw that box around the image I want, just like that. Now when I have the image I want, I'm just going to click on file, I'm going to save as, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save this somewhere where I can find it. I usually like to save it to my desktop. And I'm going to name this pic something that I can easily find. So once I've named it, I'm going to click on save, and now that image is on my desktop. Now once you have your image saved and on your desktop or somewhere where you can find it, you're ready to go and add this to any one of your pages or your email, anything like that. So I'm going to hover over websites and click on web pages. And I've got a page here called demo. I'm just going to click on edit. I'm going to click on edit text. And you'll notice that wherever your cursor is blinking, that's where your image is going to get inserted. So once you have a place in mind that you want to upload your image, I'm going to go ahead and just delete this text. My cursor is blinking right there. That's where I want it. I'm going to click right here on this icon. And what I'm going to do is click on Browse Server. I'm going to click on My Library. Then I'm going to click on Upload. I'm going to click on Browse. Then I'm going to find the image that I just saved to my desktop. And it's right here. So I'm just going to click on it and then click Open. And then I'm going to click Upload Selected File. And here it is highlighted right here. So I'm just going to double click on it. And that's going to bring the image up right here. So I'm just going to click on OK. And that inserted that image right there. So let me show you an example of if you were to upload an image that was a little bit too large. I'm going to click on the pic icon, click on Browse Server, My Library. And here's a pic I uploaded before. I'm going to double click on it. And I'm going to click on OK. Now look at how large that is. I'm going to save my changes. And I'm going to take a look at this, and you'll notice you'll notice that pic is too large. So that's really easy to fix. Again, all you're going to do is click on Edit, and you're just going to click on your image so it highlights. Then you're going to click on the pic icon, and you're just going to change this width and height. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to change the width, and the height will reflect accordingly. So I'm going to change it to like 750 and then click on OK. I'm going to save my changes. And that looks perfect. So now let me show you how it works with the email. Here we are inside of an email that we're editing. This works the exact same way. You just want to put your cursor exactly where you want your pic to go. And you'll notice you have the same exact pic icon inside your email editor. And so you're just going to follow the exact same steps. So what I'm going to do is just find a pic as an example, one that I uploaded earlier. And I'm going to click on OK. And again, if you don't want it that big, all you have to do is just make this smaller. like that. And now that pic is going to be right in your email. That could be a pic of you. It could be a pic, obviously, of anything you want. And if you wanted to make that clickable to go to a website, just click on the image and then click on the little link icon and then type in whatever URL you want that to link to. So I'm going to jump back over to the web page I was just working on. I just want to point out that if you click on this image icon, click on Browse Server, and if you click on Custom Library, we provide you an entire library of images, mostly buttons, that you can use on your sales pages. And these are great. We've got really nice looking buttons that say all kinds of different things. Click here to continue in different colors, get started now, get instant access. And these are accessible anytime you want, anytime you're working on a sales page, just simply by clicking on Custom Library. Now the final thing I wanted to show you is a little trick that I do sometimes, and I'm not sure if this is going to work on your computer if you have Microsoft Word or not, but sometimes I'll shrink the pic before I upload it, and the way I do that is I'll just highlight the pic with my snippet tool like I showed you before, and then instead of saving it, I'm going to click Edit Copy, and I'm going to come over to Microsoft Word, and I'm going to paste it inside Word, and then I'm going to click on the image, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click on Size, and what I can do, this little arrow here, I can just start knocking that image down, and so I can actually shrink my image before I upload it to my system. And so once I have it smaller, I'll save it to my desktop again, and that allows me to upload a smaller image. So knowing how to upload your own pictures and finding these pictures on the net is really going to help you create some stunning looking pages.